But God's reply is wonderful. I will be with you. I will be with you. And that assurance is enough for each one of us. Gideon was not chosen because he was strong. God chooses Gideon and makes him strong. Gideon saw only the fear and weaknesses, but God saw the bigger picture. He saw what he could become. Dear brothers and sisters, many a times we live like Gideon. We focus on the black dots that are filled in our lives. We notice our failures, our shortcomings, our limitations, even sins. And when that is all we see, we feel discouraged, we feel afraid, we feel guilty of the sins. But God does not look at us the same way we see. God looks at us differently. He sees the bigger picture, He sees the goodness in you, He sees the potential in you, He sees the blank space to give His grace. Where we see fear, He sees courage waiting to come out. Where we see ourselves as sinners, He sees a beloved child who can be renewed. God looked at Gideon and called him a mighty warrior today. He sees a mighty warrior in each one of you. He sees a mighty warrior in each mother who sacrifices for her children and her family, who guides her children in the right path. He sees a mighty warrior in every father who works hard, who works tirelessly for his family, to provide for his family. He sees a mighty warrior in every woman and man who resists evil, who chooses God and does what is right.